Welcome back. 11.6 part 2. Iteration. Iteration, I think, is pretty easy. Iteration is a process of repeating a function with itself repeatedly. So if you reiterate yourself, if your parents ask you to reiterate something, they mean to repeat it or to say it in a different way. So reiteration is a process of repeating, 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 of repeating. So find the first three iterates, the first three iterates, given the initial value. Your initial value is 5, and you're given the function. So the first iterate, you plug 5 into the function, and you get 20 minus 3 is 17. The second iterate, you plug what you just got into the function. Second iterate is 4 times 17 minus 3. So that's 68 minus 3 is 65. And to find the third iterate, you take what you just got, 65, and you plug it into the function, which is 260 minus 3 is 257. So the first three iterates, 17, 65, 257. And see if you could do the next one, find the first three iterates. So here the answer is 8, 188, 106, 28. And there's the word. Word problem. Dr. Elliott is growing cells in lab dishes. Sounds like Frankenstein. She starts with 108 cells Monday morning and then removes 20 of these for her experiment. Who knows what she's experimenting? By Tuesday, the remaining cells have multiplied 1.5. She again removes 20. This pattern repeats every day of the week. Write a recursive formula for the number of cells Dr. Elliott finds each day before she removes any. So the first day, Monday, she has 108. Every day after that, this pattern continues, a sub n plus 1. What happens is she has 108, she removes 20, should be subtraction. So remove 20, 108 minus 20. Oh, sorry, but, well, yeah. I guess this would be a sub 2. Change that. A sub 2. Would be 108 minus 20, and then they multiply by 1.5. So the general formula would be a sub n plus 1. And you have however many cells she had the previous day, which is a sub n, minus 20 of those times 1.5. So that would be a recursive function. And then find the number of cells she will find on Friday morning. So we have to do this 4 or 5 times, I guess. On Tuesday, she would have 108 minus 20 times 1.5. On Wednesday, she would have whatever this initial result was, minus 20 times 1.5. And the pattern keeps going, so see if you could finish the pattern and find the result for Friday morning. 303 cells. Let me do one more word problem because I have something else for you rather than this one. Iteration, just give you an example of iteration. Here's a function, c of x equals 1.05x, gives the future cost of an item at a constant 5% inflation rate. So some items actually gain in value, like baseball cards. If you have like Babe Ruth's baseball card and you got it in rookie year, now, many years later, it's worth a lot more. Other things don't increase in price. Other things decrease in price.
You're welcome.
Other things decrease in price, like cars decrease in value, unless you upgrade them and put rims on your car like mine. Find the cost of a $2,000 ring in 5 years. So the first year, we'd say the first year it's worth $2,000. The second year, we're going to do 1.05 times 2,000. And we would get, I think, if I multiply right, after 1 year, the second year, it's worth $2,100. And then it's a process of iteration. It's a process of iteration. You repeat, repeat, repeat. It's kind of like shampoo. Rinse, lather, repeat. Rinse, lather, repeat. It never tells you when to stop, though. You just keep rinsing. You keep lathering and repeating. And you're in the shower for a long time. x sub 3, the third year, is 1.05 times 2100. And then you're going to the fifth year. So 2431, assuming that you start with the first year being 2000, and that's the cost of the ring. Rather than doing this, I'd like to give you a handout and just have you do 3 out of the 6. It's not homework, I just want to see it. And then when you give it to me, I'll show you your quiz. There's payment to see your quiz. Thank you for watching this video.